Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you 5 reasons to get this pellet gun. Let's go. First of all, you can turn it into a minigun. I can shoot 2 bullets at a time. I hope that did not just go through the camera. Oh gosh. What does this look like? Hold on, Cronius. Here's one reason. It shoots. You can make people go backwards. Second, minigun. If I grab multiple, so put you right here. If I grab multiple like this, I can shoot. It's a literal minigun. And it's just fun to shoot people with. It's also good. Third reason, it's good for role plays. If you're doing like a role play where you're like, I don't know, John Wick, and the guy's like a hunter, he has a gun. Can I do this? It's just good for that. Fourth is when someone's about to get you, you go shoot them away. Fifth, one of my favorites, we're gonna have to go out there really quick, so don't mind any of the mess. I just cleared this. So, yeah, we'll see you back there. I'll probably clean up. So, yeah, guys, my favorite part, you can fly. You can literally grab 2. Oh, hold on, let me just get one more. So, I'm not good at it because I just got them, but I'll get you guys at a good angle. Right here. And so, yeah, that's... Hello? And so that's all that's really good for this pellet gun. It's also just good for, like... I know I've mentioned this like 1,000 times, but it's so fun to do that I can't stop. Literally, like, I'll grab 2. But honestly, my favorite thing for flying is definitely these party guns. Let me just get you guys the drone really quick. So now you follow me. Ah, I'm messing up. Just wanted to talk to you guys. So bye. Wait a minute. Nah. We need the outro, boys. We need the outro. And you know it. Okay, guys. And we're back for the outro. And that is 4 reasons to get, I don't know, 5 reasons to get this pellet gun and Yeeps hide and seek. So yeah, guys, bye. I really support everything you guys do. Just know I love y'all. Thanks for subscribing if you did. If you like this video, I appreciate you. You subscribed, appreciate you. Just know, and will probably like you when I become big. I'm going to become big one day, and I can tell. I'm small right now. Short too. But yeah, guys. Bye. That's the outro, and skibbity toilet.